All right, welcome to the Shade Parade reality recap. Let's get into it. Oh, well, that's good. No hard feelings. That's a good way to take it. Well, this is why you have to really train your dogs. And you really have to have control of your dogs. Dogs get out, come on. If you were confined to an area, no matter how big, eventually you will want to get out and see what's on the other side of that fence. It's I was going to say human nature, but we're talking about dogs now. But it's animal nature. We're animals too, and it's animal nature, and that's what we want. We want to investigate. We want to learn new things. At least some of us do. Some just prefer to stay in the dark, but we're not talking about those people. We're talking about people who want to learn more and grow and be out there. That's why you have to have your dogs understand to be friendly, right? If I was ever sued by someone, it would probably be because my dog knocked over somebody, but it won't be for a bite, because my dog has been trained. When you see other dogs, that's not what you do. And we trained her like that by having our other, if you're following the channel, you know that I had a 15-year-old Rottweiler at the same time that I had Fenrir, my husky, that you can go see Life with Fenrir if you want to see what the dog looks like. It's a playlist on this channel. And yeah, she went and bit the Rottweiler and tried to be aggressive to the Rottweiler once she hit a certain age. But you got to train it out of them, that instinct, unfortunately. And I understand some people buy dogs for protection. It's like, well, why would I train that part out of them? Yes, I don't suggest training that part out of them if you're training your dog to bite people, but it's you're gonna, if someone, let's put this out there, and I wish that I could do something with a lawyer or even Judge Judy and talk at the same time with her about this, but I'll tell you a story that happened to my friend. My friend had a German Shepherd. Guy breaks into his house. German Shepherd bites the man on the arm and bit the man on the arm so bad that he did not have use of his hands anymore. So he couldn't work. I mean, he can work, but he can't work good because he had no use, or limited, I should say, use in the right hand. The guy sues him, okay? Are you following? The guy robbed the guy, broke into the guy's house, gets bit, can't use his arm, and sues my friend. Friend gets into court. He probably thought he had an open shut case. The judge says, is your dog trained? And the judge says, we're going to go on recess. Goes on recess. He goes with the plaintiff, my friend the plaintiff, to a park and ask him to sit, ask him to tell the dog, he asked him to tell the dog to sit. He asked him to tell the dog, give the dog commands, stay, so on and so forth. The dog did nothing because it had no training. Guess who won the case? I'm going to leave it like that. Guess who won the case? Come on, you're smart. So the defendant, let me spell it out for some of you that really don't get it. The defendant won the case. The guy who came in, broke into someone's home, and got bit by a dog is the one who won the case because his dog wasn't trained. So train your dog. If you want that dog to be a dog that bites on command, find someone and train them. And train it. And train it and pay, whatever, or $4,000, whatever it's going to cost to train your dog to bite on command. But at least you have a situation where the dog goes out by mistake, sees a smaller dog, and doesn't rip that dog to shreds. Turns around and plays with the dog, and you could run out there and you say, hey, stay, and the dog gets into a stay position and you're able to grab it, leash it up and say, I'm sorry if my dog scared you, but she's very well trained, or he's very well trained, so he would have not hurt your dog. But, you know, dogs can continue on a walk. If you have the time, continue on a walk. Remember one thing, okay? And again, I'm not a dog trainer, but I've learned this from my friends who are dog trainers. The best way for two dogs to meet and be friendly is on a walk. The walk that a pack does is the way to connect the dogs together. And I'm not just saying this because I'm regurgitating what my friend told me. I put it into action. One day, I had a friend come over, and I did this purposely. I introduced the two dogs, and of course, her dog attacked my dog. Okay? Her dog attacked my dog. So we separated them. We separated ourselves, and then we started to walk.